Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my utility room or laundry room. This is what it's currently looking like and I need to organise it and get things sorted. So I just thought I would show you what the before is looking like. This is just how it's all looking like. I'm starting to get things out of the cupboards up here. I need to organise everything that's in here, make it a little bit neater and tidier because it's a bit random in there at the moment. I also need to sort underneath this cupboard. In here, look at how much stuff is in here. It's just so much random stuff, so I need to sort all of that out. We've got some bits out here still that need to go away. And yeah, that is the utility room before. I've put some washing on already, so I'm waiting for another load to go in. So once that's finished, I'll put it in the tumble dryer because it's quite a damp day today. So let's get started, shall we? I think I'm going to start up here and get everything out of the cupboards and start organising that. Orlando is currently napping, so I've got a little bit of time, about an hour hopefully. Amazing. I've been looking for this for ages. This is like a new screen protector because my one is currently broken. I need to replace this one here because it's all broken now. It's all cracked. Yay! I'm so happy I found that. Oh, this is another little screen protector for the lenses. I got these on Amazon, which is quite handy actually, really good. This was actually really good. We don't need it anymore because Orlando doesn't touch the plug sockets anymore, but if you've got little ones that turn the plug sockets on and off, this is a really handy like cover that goes on top of them. Again, I bought this off of Amazon. It's in here now because we don't use it, but yeah, that is really handy. So in this little wicker basket, I've just got all of my like nail products. So I've got nail varnishes in here. I've got my little sensational kit as well. But I do also have this bag, which is also full of nail varnishes. So I'll just keep those together. I don't know if that'll fit in there really. I don't think it'll fit in there. Oh yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in here that is for my nails. Move my over. I've just put some hand wash, hand lotion. These are just like some spare toiletries. I don't know really why I have this in the utility room, but usually I'll put stuff like this into the downstairs toilet, so it's just spares that I've got down here. And then I've got a few spare like smaller candles and smaller kind of room fragrances in this one here. These containers here are by iDesign, by the way. You can get them on Amazon. And then this container here is just kind of random stuff. I've got my label maker, I've got like door protectors, things like that, and some baby bits as well. So I'm going to pop those away. And then we've obviously got that one there, which has got all of my nail products. And then all of the stuff over here are products and things that I need to take upstairs that I don't need down here, or things that need to go in the kitchen. I'm just going to go in now with a little bit of Zaflora and just wipe down the cupboards and a little microfiber cloth there. Okay, so this cupboard here isn't actually too bad. I've got all of my wax melts in here. I have some spare candles in here. So these are for all of my little wax melts. This container here is from IKEA. So it's fab for just storing little tiny tea light candles like this. And then I've got a little photo frame there. So I'm just going to keep that there for now. Pop that back up there. So on the top shelf I just have my little medical box, which is this one here. I got this from TK Maxx and you can get it in HomeSense as well. So I'm just going to go through all of the medication in here to make sure that it's still in date, and if it's not I will take it out. I've got this little mini first aid kit as well. This is kind of like one that you can just take out and about with you when you're outside or going away and stuff. So it's just like a little mini kit that you can get like that. So let's just go through these and see what's in date and what's not. This is just a container full of like spare sponges. So I've got Scrub Daddies, Minkies, and also this one. This one's from B&M. I really like this one. There's another little scrub mummy, I think that one is, in there. Right, okay, this cupboard over here, I keep a lot of my kind of spare products, and I also keep a lot of my other bigger products for laundry. So we've got a lot of comfort and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to take everything out, then we can put it all back in a kind of more organised manner. At the moment it looks so unorganised and I don't know where anything is, so I'm going to take it all out now because it's so full. Okay, so now everything is clean, I'm going to give it a little wipe down. So in this first wicker basket, this is going to go at the top, and this is where I'm keeping all of my extra vases and decorative pieces. In this container I've just got my makeup brush cleaner, this is the Style Pro, and then I've got some makeup brush cleanser as well, so it's just keeping it all in one place so I know where it is now. So this is where I keep a lot of my laundry products here. Anything that I need to access is right here. I've got a few different things that are like nearly running out now. Got washing machine cleaner, stuff like that. So Orlando's just woken up from his nap. I'm just waiting for the washing to finish so I can put another load of washing on, and then once everything is off the floor I can clean the floors then. But yeah, that was a successful hour actually. Yeah? Boo! Who's this? Oh, should we give him a cuddle? Oh. Hello! Hello, Zigga! Beep, beep, beep. Who's that? Is that you? Say hello. Hello everybody. So just, oh, where's he gone? Boop. Peekaboo. Where's Orlando gone? Boop. Peekaboo. Where's he gone? Peekaboo. Where's his nose? Oh, that's your nose, good boy. I'm gonna go put another load of washing on now, it's finished. So, we can nearly finish that room now. The utility is looking so much nicer. It smells beautiful in here. I've got this candle on. This is a Soul candle. This is the candle I've got. It's by Soul Shropshire, and it's a relaxed candle. It smells like a spa. It's so nice. This is like the weird reed diffuser that I got from IKEA. Oh, Landy, don't touch that, sweetie. Yeah, it doesn't really smell that strong, so I've just put it in here next to the candle because I thought it looked nice. And Orlando's gonna help me. Are you gonna help Mummy? What? Is it wet? Wet? Okay, so that is the utility room all tidied and clean now. This is how it now is looking. So it's so much tidier. The worktops are all clear. Got a beautiful candle on so it smells so nice in here. Let me just open the cupboard so you can see how that's looking now. It's just a lot more neater, a lot more organised. It doesn't look too crazy different, but I'm glad that I went through everything, so now I know where everything is. So that is that cupboard up there. As I said before, these little baskets here are from HomeSense. This one here is from IKEA. This one is by iDesign. And then the white ones, I believe, this one up here is from Home Bargains possibly, and so are these, which are really, really useful. So that is that cupboard all done. Down here, nothing much has changed really, because I can't really move anything out of there. I've just got some bags and some other little kind of decorative bits, and also my charger there for my vacuum. And then in this one, which is the main one that I wanted to sort out, it looks so much better now. So let me just go through it so you can see what's what. So in this top basket up here, we've got some like vases and decorative pieces up there. We've also got my handheld vacuum here by Vorwer. I think that's how you pronounce it. Just got the charger in there with a couple of like books and things like that. And then we've got some cleaning products. We've got some Lenore and all of my fabric softeners there because they do not fit in the drawer that's down here. So I just put them up here. And then I've got a Zaflora there. I've also got my makeup brush cleaner in there. And then these are other random products like my carpet freshener, other little spray and wear by Fabulosa, some wipes in there, and also some Febreze in there. We've got some Zaflora, stuff like that. And then this is my cleaning basket with lots of cleaning product. In here, we've got a spare vase. This is just one that Mark got me for my birthday from Dunelm. But for now, I've just got my tumble dryer balls in here. These are really, really fab. And then randomly behind there, I've got 2 bottles of wine. Well, I think one's a bottle of champagne actually. I should put that in the kitchen, but for now it's fine. It can just stay in there. We don't actually drink it anyway. So that is that cupboard there. Look how much better it looks now. So much more organised. Behind here we've just got the wash basket. This is from HomeSense. Then I've also got my kind of clothes rack here. I've just hung my like hair towel on there because I'm letting that air dry. So that is there. I'm literally just about to pop this wash on and pop this tumble dryer on now because there are some clothes in both of those. But that is everything. I thought I would leave it off whilst I was doing this little talk through at the end, because otherwise all you would hear is the washing machine and tumble dryer. So that is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know if you would like more cleaning and organising videos in the future. I could definitely film them for you. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'll also leave a link down to some other cleaning videos down below for you, so you can check those out if you need some motivation today. So I'll see you all very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.